And they run away for the Manila Horsepower Organization Philracom Cup for 2015. Low Profile didn't waste time at the break, and in second we have strong champion Hot and Spicy, while Kaiser's Return is the early trailer by about 5 lengths off the pace. Now we've got Low Profile, the favorite, leads by about 2 lengths. A strong champion remains in second with 25.5 on the opening break as they roll down the back. And it's still Low Profile maintaining a 2 lengths lead. A strong champion is right behind in second, and running in third, Hot and Spicy, while Kaiser's Return is still running at the tail of the field. Low Profile just in front with Mark Alvarez. Then here comes strong champion with Jesse Guse, now trying to get closer with 24 on the second quarter as they reach the last 800 meters. It is still the same order. Low Profile enjoying a 3/4 of a length lead. Strong champion is trying to get closer, remains in third, Hot and Spicy. Kaiser's Return still running at the tail of the field, and they are now entering the last 3:30. Low Profile with 2 lengths lead, 25.5 on the third quarter, and into the home stretch. It is still Low Profile increasing its marker now to about 3 lengths, and now working like a tremendous machine now. And with 75 meters to go, it's all Low Profile, the favorite. Second, Hot and Spicy, strong champion, and Kaiser's Return comes in last through all the way.
Like a tremendous machine, sabi ni Mr. Excitement. Itong numero 2, the favorite, Low Profile with a wire-to-wire win. At hindi nga napalo itong si Low Profile.
Main event ng Manila Horse Racing Organization, Philracom Cup, sponsored by the Philippine Racing Commission. At ito na, lalabas na ako. Masikip dito. Siyempre, kasama natin mula sa Philippine Racing Commission, kasama natin ang mga bagong commissioners. Basahin ko na lahat, although dalawa na sila nakikita dito. Si Commissioner Nonoy Niles, sir. Ang kaibigan natin superstar jockey nung araw hanggang ngayon, Commissioner Ebot Guse. At nandiyan din sa taas kanina, kasama natin sila Commissioner Jose Gutierrez Santillan Jr., Honorable Attorney Willie de Ungria, Honorable Ramones Bagatsing, at saka ang chairman natin ngayon si Honorable Andrew Sanchez, whom I believe was not able to make it today. But he extends his congratulations to the organization for its 8th year anniversary. At mula sa host club ng Manila Jockey Club, sabi ko na sa inyo madaling lapitan, madaling kausapin, madaling puntahan. Alright, wala iba, Mr. Ding Magbo, sir. At saka siyempre, yung 4 na muse natin, kakaway lang si Angela, si Miles, si Angelica, at saka si Sayuri. Ngayon, hindi kayo makakataka, si Mark Alvarez ang kukuha. Magaling yan si Mark. Alright, at kasama natin, andito pa rin sila, bumubuo ng MHP! Yes, kita naman, parang 300. Alright, tawagin na natin ang representative ng kabayong, dakayin na naman yung mga labadista, Low Profile. Nandito po ba si Mr. Ruben Di Macua, the owner? Represented by Mr. Maton Sanchez ang magre-represent, sir. Ikaw magre-represent? Si Ruben Di Macua. Okay. Asa na? Wala, ikaw na ka na dito ba doon? Kunin mo na. Ikaw pala Ayan na, ang idol nating trainer, Maton Sanchez. Siya po ang tatanggap ng trophy in behalf of the owner, Mr. Ruben Di Macua. Napakaganda ng pagkakadala. Low Profile. Tatayan, tinanggap na niya ang trophy mula kay Commissioner Nonoy Miles. Tawagin naman natin yan ang trainer na in-interview kanina ni partner Lea. Correct. Yes, sir. Job well done. Ganda ng pagkakadala. Ang ganda ng pagkakakondisyon. In tip-top condition ang Low Profile. And now, tawagin naman po natin ang kanyang trainer, Mark Alvarez. Ito, kaibigan natin yan, si Mark. Idol ng bayang karirista. Alright, ito si Mark. Okay, Mark, tanggapin mo ang trophy mula sa Manila Horsepower at saka sa Philippine Racing Commission. Excellent riding from a superstar jockey. Okay. At kayo naman, huwag mo na kayong aalis dyan, gentlemen. tawagin naman natin ang SOTA. Yung SOTA, yung groom ng kabayang low profile. Kilala mo to, Mark? Nandiyan ba yung SOTA natin, Dodek? Alright, yung SOTA, tawagin natin. Tatanggap ang winning groom ng 1 mountain bike tsaka isang cellphone. Pangalan, pare? Pangalan?
Walter.
Walter! Okay, Walter, ayan na. Ayun, tanggapin mo. Ayan, kasi itong araw na to para talaga sa mga SOTA at sa mga exercise riders to. Ayun, tanggapin mo kay Chris, Magic Showtime. O, dyan ka lang sa likod, steady ka lang dyan. Ito naman, tawagin naman natin ngayon ang exercise rider. Tatanggap ng 1 sack of rice. Mark, sino nag-exercise?
Si E.M. Raquel.
E.M. Raquel. Alright, then. Ayan, buhatin mo na, mamili ka na ng bigas dyan. So, alright, ayan. Tanggap na nila lahat. At eto na, bago natin pakawalan tong ating mga bisita rito, uumpisahan ng Mark. Dahil kanina, natakasan ako sa race 1 and 2 and 3. Pumarada ka na, Mike. Mark. Ayan, punta doon, pag-dito. Wala ka na. Hindi nag-ahit yan. Alright, Ren Raquel. Asa si Ren? Halika na, kasama ka na Ren. Aba talagang parang baon na baon Ren, ha? At siyempre, tawagin na rin natin yung Master Trainer, Dodek! Yes! Talaga naman! Sino pa pwede? Wala na. Taka muna, tingnan lang muna natin ang konting, pakikinggan muna natin ang Commissioner Nonoy nila sa ilang announcement po.
Magandang hapon ho sa inyong lahat. In behalf of our chairman, Andrew Sanchez, and the rest of the commission, we would like to congratulate MHP on the 8th anniversary of Racing Festival here in Manila Jockey Club. Congratulations ho, it's been a very successful event, and I wish you continued success, and hopefully lahat kayo ay natutuwa dito sa pakarera ng MHP dito sa San Lazaro. And hopefully next year as well, meron pa rin tuloy itong pakarera ng MHP. And hopefully the Philrocom will continue to support MHP in the many years to come. Congratulations again.
Sir, nagpapasalamat din po kami sa parangal na ipinagkaloob ninyo sa Manila Horsepower Organization for 2014, the most outstanding private racing organization dito sa Pilipinas. Kauna-unang award po yan ay binigay sa Manila Horsepower Organization at nagpapasalamat po kami sa Philippine Racing Commission at asahan po ninyo, gagalingan pa namin hanggat kaya pa. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. We will be right back for the parade of the next race. Steady na kayo dyan, steady na kami dito. Action will continue in just a while.